That like that. They were like, Pop, why you all like that? Why you talk like that? Why you all like that? I'm off at 8 a.m. up. I don't want no time to relax. Time to relax. I turn it to 2 4.
What up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Tricky Boy TV, you feel me? Back with another fucking video, you feel me? I know I ain't dropped a video in a long ass time, you feel me? But it was worth it, you dig what I'm saying? I had to give me a new camera. Nigga really been working for real, you dig what I'm saying? But by that time, man, y'all can see, these dumbass wipers. By that title, man, y'all can see what's going on, man. You dig what I'm saying? Yes, man, I'm gonna be acting like I'm getting top, you feel me, prank on my girlfriend, you dig what I'm saying? I got a little mannequin right here, you dig what I'm saying? I don't know if I'm gonna keep the hat on or keep the hat off type beat, you know what I mean? It's gonna be hard, like trying to, you know what I mean? Cause we're gonna be on FaceTime, but you know what I'm saying? She texting me right now, blowing my phone up. So this I ain't never had the perfect time to do this. You dig what I'm saying? I might die, so I might not even be able to, you know what I mean, upload this video. You dig what I'm saying? If y'all new to the channel, man, don't forget to like, comment. I hurt my leg while playing basketball, so I'm gonna need a motherfucking sub, man. But we about to get this shit cracking on game. Man, pray for me, man. I don't even know how this shit going. She blowing my phone up. I might start the screen recording and shit right now. Hey, sexy.
What's up?
Why you dancing like that? Dang.
What's up?
Huh?
What's up?
What you doing?
Nothing.
I'm not coming to see me no more. I mean, you mad?
No.
Really?
You didn't make me mad.
So what you doing?
I'm sitting down.
I'm tired.
I'm sure it's sleep in.
You said, huh?
Yeah, you should definitely sleep in.
Girl. I'm sleeping in nothing. I'm up.
Alright, well, me and Birdie chilling, so I'll talk to you later.
Alright.
What's
Sorry I
up?
ain't answer the dang phone.
You said, huh?
I said, I'm sorry I ain't answer the phone.
You good?
John, I just got home though, but I said, I'm sorry I just got home though, but I want to see you, so.
I can't hear you. If you talk to me, I can.
Oh, my bad. Feel me. Shoot.
Yeah, no.
Oh, she hang up on me, bro. You feel me? Shit. I'm calling her back though. See what the fuck going. You know what I mean? She might not answer though. I know she pissed. Answer the damn phone. Man, she mad as hell. Y'all niggas about to get a nigga cussed off for real. I'm doing this for y'all, man, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You dig what I'm saying? I'm putting my life on the line for y'all boys right here. You dig what I'm saying? She said answer, I'm not playing. I'm not no playing or some shit. Why you hang up, sexy? Oh, you look cute.
You for real?
You look cute. For real, what? What do you mean?
I'm not about to
Play
play.
what? You look cute, sexy.
Dang.
Really?
You look cute for my other man.
Man, you look cute. Stop it.
Yeah.
Get out, bro. What did you? Tweet.
Cute for my other man.
What?
Put the camera. Hey, I know you're joking, because you gotta be joking. You wouldn't be this dumb. You would not be this dumb.
Oh.
Hey, Trix!
Oh.
You got to be mad. So you're this dumb?
What you mean?
Drake, look at the camera.
Oh. What, babe? What's wrong?
No, babe.
What's wrong, love?
Flip the camera.
Flip the camera for what? You said what? Flip the car. Ain't nothing in here, babe. Look. I can't even. I don't even know how to fucking work this damn new this new turning shit. I'm outside, man. I'm chilling. I told you I just got home. Ain't nobody in the car.
I'm about to call your mama.
What you calling my mama for?
I'm about to call your
What did you calling my mama for?
I'm about to call your mama.
For what?
You're joking. You're so dumb. You're so fucking stupid. You're so fucking stupid.
What do you mean, babe? What is your issue?
I will whoop your ass.
What? Why are you so violent? Why is you whooping my ass? Fuck I did to you? You tripping?
Because you're joking.
You tripping? You look cute though, for real.
You're joking.
You look cute though, but I don't know what you mean. You tripping?
I was trying to get cute for you.
You do, and you look very cute. Do I look cute? I look cute. Do I look cute?
It's Halloween too. It's Halloween too. You want to do this?
I'm saying, do I look cute?
No,
I think I look cute.
you don't.
Man, fucking bums walking around this bitch tripping for real. I don't look cute though.
Treat.
What, love?
Okay, do this. Do this.
Wait.
Let me see your belt. Your belt unbuckled?
It's my pants. You know these pants tight as hell. I have to. You feel me?
No.
Yes,
no.
babe. No cap. I swear.
Tell you what. Treat. You're so fucking dumb. You're so fucking dumb.
Oh.
My whole thing is you're doing this long for the phone. Shit, it don't even make sense.
Oh.
Dumb. Just gotta get dumb. You're joking.
Oh. 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 Oh.
Good prank. Good prank.
Oh. What?
Good prank.
Woo. You still coming?
No.
Why not? Why not?
This is so disrespectful.
Where you going?
This is disrespectful.
What's wrong?
This relationship.
What? Why?
This is not funny.
What's wrong?
This is not funny.
What's wrong, babe? I'm not.
I think you a prankster.
I'm not. I just told you I just came from the store and I want to see you and you said you was gonna pull up, so I thought you was gonna pull up.
Well, clearly somebody else pulled up. Or are you joking?
Bro, ain't nobody in here. I think you're delusional. Like,
Right, so you're joking.
I think you're tripping.
You're joking, right?
I just showed you the whole car. Ain't nobody in here. You see the seat. You see where I'm at. Feel me? So ain't none of that extra stuff. I'm just vibing. For real, for real. You upset?
I'm gonna choose my friends.
You mad? For real?
No, I'm not mad. I'm about to just see what my friends do. You stay home today.
Wow. So now we can't do nothing no more today?
No, I'm going out tonight.
I know, we going out together.
No, I'm going out by myself.
No, we going out together.
No, I'm going out by myself.
We going out together, babe. You tripping. You tripping, love. You tripping. Bro, get out, bro. Fuck wrong with you? You tripping, love. Oh. Oh.
What are you doing? Are you done? You wanna play so bad? I'm gonna do what I wanna do too. Guess where I'm gonna go?
Girl, you ain't about to go nowhere. Sit your little ass down.
I'm gonna switch my whole costume.
Sit your little ass down. You not about to go nowhere.
Oh, I'm already on my way to my nigga house.
You not about to go nowhere.
I ain't talking about you.
You not about to do nothing. All that shit. You clearly know that shit wasn't real. It's a whole prank. Get your ass on. You wanna see it? Look. Look. Look like we twins, ain't we? Look. Look, we like twins. Look. Hold this for me. Hold this for me. For real. Stop playing, bro. I just told you it's a whole prank. You doing too much now.
I'm gonna talk to you later, bro.
You doing too much. I already told y'all she was about to OD. So I did this shit for y'all. So all y'all niggas in the comments that couldn't wait to see a video like this, you dig what I'm saying? Y'all better run this bitch up. Get this video to like 50 likes, you dig what I'm saying? I need at least like 10 comments. You feel what I'm saying? Share the post with your mama, your sister, your auntie, your cousin. Cause clearly she mad right now. She on some other shit and she talk about some other shit. So once I cut this camera, you dig what I'm saying, it's gonna be over. But like I said, man, if y'all enjoyed the video, man, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, you dig what I'm saying? If y'all new to the channel, smash that subscribe button, you dig what I'm saying, you feel me? Nigga finally really got his camera to work, so now nigga really about to, you dig what I'm saying, drop consistent bangers, you dig what I'm saying? I'm about to get a new intro, you know what I mean? I'm about to get a new outro, I'm about to try to get cover art and all that shit, you dig what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to give y'all some more car vlogs. I'm gonna try to do like Walmart pranks and shit like that, funny videos, you dig what I'm saying, and just turn up for y'all niggas, you feel what I'm saying? But like I said, man, if y'all new to the channel, man, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, you dig what I'm saying? If y'all returning, you already know what to do, you dig what I'm saying? I'm thinking about changing my YouTube name too, but I don't know, you dig what I'm saying? I'm thinking about changing to like Hood Rich TV. I might keep Tricky Boy TV, because you feel what I'm saying, that's my shit, and whenever I see it, whenever a nigga or somebody see me in public, I want them to address me by that, you dig what I'm saying? So, yeah. You feel what I'm saying? But man, y'all see what the fuck going on. Y'all see the reaction. Let me stop the screen recording. Y'all see the reaction I got. You dig what I'm saying? I know y'all like that shit. That shit was funny as hell, for real, for real. You dig what I'm saying? But
it wasn't even funny.
Yeah, now she sick. Now she talk about it wasn't funny. That wasn't funny?
You so dumb.
Talk to him.
If you was gonna do it for real,
talk to him.
You gonna put the head in the camera. You so dumb.
Talk to him.
You know how to do it right.
What you mean? How I want to put in the camera if that's the... Anyways, she sick. She took that L. You dig what I'm saying?
Watch. I'm gonna show you in real life how to do it for real.
You dig what I'm saying? Anyway, she talking. She talk. You. All right. She out her top. I'm gonna get back with y'all boys. Smash the like button. You dig what I'm saying? Subscribe. Get this video to 50 likes. Hella videos about to drop. And nigga gone.